No, I know. Because we got bacon, and then what's on this one?
This one is like the classic sheets, curds, cheese, onion.
And this was kind of out of left field. It was fire. It was like arugula or something.
First person ever to order a veggie dish, by the way, at a Longo stand. But
you're making me want to get a camcorder.
Is inspired by the Hungarian folklore, one of my paintings, and this specific seven-legged horse is in my painting. And then I turned it into a little carousel, merry-go-round horse because of all the carousels in France. There's one in every town. We always end up finding them somehow.
The cherry beer famous. Emily's judges.
Cherry beer.
All right.
Here we go.
Isn't it so good?
Like, I don't think I'll ever be able to drink another beer again.
No, I know,
Like,
I know.